Hello again. Welcome back to Shmuel Targ's A Therapeutic Journey show, the cooking and cashew chicken edition. And yes, the chicken cutlets are ready. I'm going to take them out of the oven now.
Waiting to find you. Open your eyes, the dreams and cries are all around you. Smiles are hiding when you see everything. Make up your mind, go and find that simple blessing. This is your time, you're feeling no sweeter. Believe it, you won't make me make right. Just forgive you, need to fight and love. It's Rosh
Oh, all right. I'm going to check on the vegetables. Okay, they're going to be in a little while. All right, here's my food. The chicken, the noodles, Rosh Hashanah, yes, my New Year's coming up. I'm going to walk the 2 miles to my friend Abby. Maybe she'll go to my place with me. I let her know if she could visit me at my place when she's ready. She wants to be in the cooking show with me, do some cooking. Yeah, she's creative. She does artwork like me. Oh, my housemate startled me a little because I told him at 5 to. Okay, I'm gonna be in the next part of the show until 5:30. Okay.
5:30.
Yeah. Okay. You want to dance with me? Yeah.
Shmuel, no.
Okay, he's shy. He doesn't want to dance.
Shmuel, so just wanted to. So you told me 5 o'clock.
Yeah. Now I'm telling you 5:30 because my show is going on further. Okay.
So what time?
Till 6. Okay.
5:30. You told me 5:30.
Well, now I'm telling you 6. Okay.
6 is too late.
Shabbos starts at 6:30, right?
6:25.
All right, I'll be finished by 6:20. All right. All right. Yeah, my housemate's really into times and things like that. I'm pretty much on top of the house, but he sometimes feels like he has to be top of things, even though I'm top of them. He gets nervous about things. But overall, he's a great housemate. I'm happy to have him as my house. Okay, good. So I'll see you later, Jacob. Either join me in the show or I'll see you a little bit later.
See you 5:30.
5:36, yeah. Okay.
5:25.
Okay, 5:35, you said.
Okay.
Very nice.
Shmuel.
Okay, I'm waiting for the vegetables to be ready now. In the meantime, I'll start getting ready the cutlets for the next show. Oh, is that Rosie? I hear the phone ringing. Okay. Oh, I have the cauliflower. I forgot all about that. Okay, give a good round of applause to the cauliflower. Hey, Malachi, so okay, yummy. Malachi. Okay. Okay. I'll add some olive oil to the cauliflower. Spiracha. Sumac. Okay, I'll put a little honey on it. I'll mix it all around. Yes, my hands are washed. A little black pepper. Okay, I'll put it in the oven. Check on the other vegetables first. Okay, they have to be in a little longer than other vegetables. Okay, I'll put this on the bottom of the oven. Alright, that song in the background is the Yeshiva Boys Choir. My nephew's in that wonderful choir. Yes, that's a song that's sung in the prayer in the morning in Hebrew. Ashrei Yoshrei V'Sefer Od Yahweh Chasem Yashov V'Sefer Od Yahweh Chasem. You know, singing uses a lot of parts of the brain. It's a very good skill to have. Shred, yo, shred. Shred, yo, shred. Shred, yo, shred. Shred, yo, shred, shred. Shred, yo, shred. Shred, yo, shred. Shred, yo, shred. Shred, yo, shred, shred. Na 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 na. We have some exercise, dancing, creating food, some nice colors from the foliage. We're getting the sense of the taste, feel, seeing, hearing. So nice to use a lot of the senses of a person in a positive way. Yeah, hallelujah. Shred, yo, shred. Shred, yo, shred. Shred, yo, shred. Shred, yo, shred, shred. Shred, yo, shred. Shred, yo, shred. Shred, yo, shred. Shred, yo, shred, shred. All right, I'll see you back on the third part of the show, cooking show.